going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And I have a very exciting video. You guys are going to make fun of me for this, I'm sure. You're going to call me Rice, but as you can tell by the title of the video, you already see it. I got a little something that I thought about getting for honestly a while now. Even before the two-step, years back, I thought about getting this kit. Well, I finally got it, pulled the trigger. But here we go, an old school Hot Licks exhaust kit. It's basically hooks up somewhat the same way a two-step does, an N2 MB watt box, or even an MSD two-step. Basically wires up to your coils, to your ignition, then you run a spark plug back to your exhaust, you drill, and yeah, this was painful. I didn't film any of the install. I don't want to waste time filming if this didn't work, because I heard for some people it didn't work for their cars, so I'm like, I was scared. I was like nervous to buy this and not have it work, because it's not the cheapest, it's not terribly expensive, it's like $178, but still, $178 for something not to work, I don't know. So it does work. I promise you it does work on these Mustangs if you're thinking about getting one. But yeah, so basically there's the spark plug, and that was the worst part for me, was having to drill into my $900 Borla Attack exhaust. But you know what, you just gotta send it sometimes and take risk, and I took the risk. And the risk, I think, is well worth it. I'm not gonna spoil what it looks like yet. It does work, like I said. And I'm actually talking about talking to Hot Licks right now about doing like a little sponsorship thing, so you guys can get a discount code that you can use, so you get some money off your order. So it's actually, you're gonna get a better deal than I did, because I paid full price and you guys are gonna be getting a discount. So it's not set in place yet. They talked about giving me a discount code. They told me to order a kit first, make a video first. So here's the video, Hot Licks. You're gonna love some of this footage. It does work perfectly. The install was super simple. The instructions were super clear. It was just an easy install. I thought it was gonna be harder. I was intimidated by this, but it was not bad at all. So she's all hooked up, guys, and yeah, this thing it's gonna be so fun. If you guys don't know, I have a flame fetish for cars. That's like my big thing. I love flames that shoot out of cars. I know it sounds stupid. It's a stupid thing, but I just love it. It's something that, I don't know, it's something that really catches my eye. And this car hasn't shot flames since the supercharger. It's shot flames 3 times when it backfired with the two-step, but it doesn't really backfire anymore. It just doesn't do it anymore. So I'm like, dang it, I missed the flames. I keep seeing people shooting flames on TikTok. So you know what, that's a screw up. I'm going with Hot Licks, and it did not disappoint at all. And I'm actually gonna buy another kit, and hopefully Hot Licks will give me a discount on this one for the V6. And Hot Licks, hopefully you're watching this. I will, I'm pretty sure I already sent you the link, but this is the next project I'm gonna put it on, because it's got these stupid tailpipes, and I just want to see flames come out of them things. Like, who does, like, just looking at that, this thing looks like it should shoot flames. Yeah, that's gonna be the next one to get some flamethrower kit. So me and my fiance are about to roll out to the car meet, and half these guys don't know about this yet, so I'm just gonna roll up and go yeah, oh my god, the reactions are gonna be priceless. Right, we're about to roll out now. I guess time to stop. Sounds good. Was it got dumps under there?
No, it's just BBK shorties, calisthenics pipe.
Gonna watch this thing up real quick, because she is filthy. We will get footage later. You probably saw the footage at the beginning of the video. It's like a little teaser. But we're definitely gonna get some footage soon. Already about to have Tyler hold the camera, and let's see this thing pop some flames at night. This thing is gonna be sick. Hold up.
Big ass fireball. This is crazy.
That might, I feel like that'll walk away from that green one.
What's that?
That'll definitely go away from that green one.
It's not even that late out, and they're kicking us out already. They're getting rowdy. ears are ringing.
Okay.
It's gonna break the stick. Alrighty guys, I apologize, my camera died, but we are picking up a few days later. Okay, so the car is running, right? Hit the button. And you can hear the spark plugs in the back sparking. So when you hit that button, it cuts the ignition, it ignites the spark plugs, and bam, that is what causes your flames. But you do gotta rev it kinda high. I usually rev it up to 4,000 or a little bit more than that. Then after I do that, I let off the gas real quick, then I hit the button right after I let off the gas. And sometimes it'll backfire, and most of the time it'll shoot a nice big fireball out, because when it cuts ignition like that, it basically dumps raw fuel into your exhaust. And when the raw fuel goes through your exhaust, it's going to hit the spark plugs, and when it sparks, it ignites and causes that nice flame that you get. I will put the link in my description if you guys want to go order this. They sell single exhaust kits and dual exhaust kits. You can even hook up to a motorcycle. It works on most vehicles, carbureted and fuel injected, obviously. So, alrighty guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see a lot more content with this thing spitting flames and possibly the V6 shooting flames, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alrighty guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.